Are you ready to transform your bathroom into a stunning oasis of style and relaxation? In this video, we'll explore some inspiring bathroom tile design ideas that will elevate the look and feel of your space. Whether you're starting from scratch or planning a renovation, these tile designs will spark your creativity and help you achieve the bathroom of your dreams. Let's begin with a classic choice, elegant white tiles. White tiles create a timeless and clean aesthetic, making your bathroom feel fresh and spacious. Consider subway tiles for a simple and versatile look, or opt for large format tiles to minimize grout lines and create a seamless backdrop. For those who crave a touch of luxury, mosaic tiles are a fantastic option. These small, intricately designed tiles can be arranged to form captivating patterns and designs. Use them as a focal point on a feature wall, in the shower, or as a decorative border to add visual interest to your bathroom. If you prefer a rustic and earthy ambience, natural stone tiles are the way to go. Materials like marble, travertine, and slate bring a sense of organic beauty to your bathroom. Their unique textures and patterns will make your space feel warm and inviting. For a modern and playful twist, consider geometric tiles. Hexagonal, herringbone, or chevron patterns can add a bold statement to your bathroom. Experiment with contrasting colors to create eye-catching designs that reflect your personality. Glass tiles are an excellent choice if you want to introduce a shimmering, translucent element to your bathroom. They reflect light beautifully and create a sense of depth. Use them as accents or cover entire walls for a striking effect. classic subway tile, try pairing them with dark grout. This creates a trendy and visually appealing contrast. It's a simple yet effective way to make your bathroom stand out. If you found these bathroom tile design ideas inspiring, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and creative ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!